how to create a Free Fire account. First, you want to simply open the Free Fire game over here, and once the game opens, you want to simply tap on allow notification access to give notification access to the game. After that, you would be able to see an option called sign in with Facebook. If you already have an account, you would be able to proceed to sign in with your Facebook. However, if you want to create a new account, you want to simply tap on guest over here, and what you basically want to do is you want to simply create a guest account over here. Give permission to your Free Fire app over here to use your data, to use your folders to store data. And after you have done so, what you basically want to do is you want to simply create your nickname over here. And once you have given your nickname, your guest account has been created on Free Fire. You want to simply select the level of the player that you are, tap on start, and by doing so you'd be able to begin to play your game over here. This is only a guest account. However, you'd be able to bind your account with your Facebook or Google account later on once you are done playing this game over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next one.